Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. So I'm actually really nervous for this video because I'm gonna be cutting my fiance Jordan's hair since we're on lockdown and he can't go to his regular barber slash like hairstylist. So I'm going to try to cut his hair today. I have absolutely no experience whatsoever. I've tried one time in the past to cut his hair, and how did that go?
It didn't go.
What do you mean?
You stopped.
Okay, well I kind of messed up like on one section of hair, so I took a chunk out of his hair. So now we're gonna try to do a redo because we really don't have an option. So yeah, we're just gonna go for it. Before we start, I have a trash bag so that we can use it as like a cape.
A cape?
Yeah, like you know when you go to...
The cape is around back, isn't it?
No, like a hair cutting cape. We also have Jordan's like, what is this called? It's like a buzzer kit. Clippers.
Buzzer kit.
Yeah. So there's a bunch of stuff in here that I have no idea what it's for, but there are scissors.
It's comforting.
So we're gonna go with that. Scissors out, and then I'm gonna cut a hole in this. I'm just gonna snip.
I don't know if that's gonna be big enough. It smells nice in here. It's gonna be a tight cape, dog. I like your plan so far. It's working out wonderful. Is this your way of getting me in a straight jacket?
No. Okay, maybe I just cut.
No, just pull it down. Just pull it. It'll just be tight. Yeah, give her some force. There you go. I don't know if this is a good start.
I'm serious.
Okay, well, pull it down more. Is this your way of like forcing me to allow you to do my hair?
I don't know, man. Okay.
That's why I said a towel, man, but you wanted me to put in a straight jacket.
I thought this would be better and cleaner. I didn't think that your shoulders were so broad. Okay.
Did you tuck it into my shirt?
There's a little bit exposed back here, but that's okay.
Dude.
We're just gonna go with it.
Why am I even wearing it then?
I don't know, I think I put it on backwards because this...
It's not a shirt, it's a garbage bag. There is no backwards.
Alright, so...
Wait, we were just gonna go with this?
Yeah, we're just gonna go. Like, I'm not trying to stall. You said you have places to be.
I just have...
We're gonna go with this Alpha M video because he's doing his own hair and stuff, and we're gonna follow that.
You're gonna follow a guide from someone who's doing their own hair?
Yeah.
As opposed to someone cutting someone's hair?
Well, they're all freaking confusing. So, here's another one.
Okay, hold on. Remember what I told you about the barber?
Yeah, like.
So yeah, you can see like establish a line for the sides, like a top part. So I would show you, but I can't.
I see it.
So it'll be harder on that side because my hair goes that direction, right? This side it's a little easier to see like where I start to move it that way. So that would be the line, and then you make it all the way even across, like around.
Like right here, just like a bowl cut across?
Yeah, but you're not gonna be that low. It's gonna be a little higher up.
Like here. Like, is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of, but like, oh God.
Let's just do it.
I'm gonna end up buzzing my head after this.
Babe, you don't trust me?
You've never done this before. How could I trust you? You've never done this.
Sure you don't want to grow your hair out a little bit more?
It is growing out.
Okay, so.
Well, are you gonna follow the guide? Don't listen to me. I feel like we don't.
Okay, so this guide is by Abified. I think that's whatever. This was from 4 years ago, but she is a hairstylist, it looks like, and she's cutting her husband's hair. So I guess we're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna open this magic box up.
Not the words you want to hear when someone's about to cut your hair. We're just gonna go for it.
I mean, I don't know what else to do. Okay,
no,
do you know what?
4.
So he cuts it out of 4.
4 on the sides.
That's short. And then what does this do? No, like this right here, like. I'm gonna go all the way up. I'm gonna have it like the longest, right? Because I'm gonna have it longer because we can always take it down. You can't grow it out as fast, so I'm gonna go with the longest setting on the clipper with the 4 guide. Are you sure you want me to do like a 5, like a little bit longer and such?
Can't believe you got me wearing a trash bag.
Okay, do you start on the side here?
Well, where else you gotta start? You can start side, back, wherever you want.
Okay, let's do this.
So where you?
What?
You know where you're starting? You watch the guide?
Kind of. I mean, it just. Okay, I'm gonna do it without turning on. Just at first, just to show you. Okay, watch.
What?
Watch. She says to do this, and then.
Ow! It's not cutting, dog. It's ow. You can't just.
I thought it would just glide through.
Why would it just glide through? It's not on.
I see your hand.
Yeah, you just pulled it.
Okay. All right. That's what she said. She said, okay, to go in and out, like that.
Let's just do this.
Okay. You ready? Ooh. Okay.
I feel like you're gonna enjoy this. You gotta touch my skin, man. That's what the guide is for. No, like you're not gonna hurt me. Go ahead.
I know. I guess I'm scared. Okay.
You're already doing it. Let's just do it. Get in there. Yeah, there you go. No, you gotta go up higher. Oh my God, this.
Honey.
Okay.
You quit your commentating. Let me just get a hang of this, okay? Like I'm just trying to get comfortable with the tool. Okay.
Okay, hold on. I'm not gonna use this. This is.
Babe, I put a lot of work into that.
Okay, so if you just go like diagonal, it's gonna be. That's why you gotta like commit.
She said not to go.
She said where the head starts to curve, right?
Okay, I'm gonna put my hand like right here then, so we don't cut hair we don't need to. Okay, does that work?
There you go. Yeah, push hard, dog. Okay, one thing I've learned about Quinn, for any of you new subscribers or people who just don't know Quinn like I do, whenever she gets really nervous and scared about something, she laughs. And the fact that I can hear her chuckling behind my head right now, just, I don't know. Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
It's not that she's enjoying this, she's like crazy nervous right now, and that's why she's laughing. What's that one video where we did, the wax pulling one, where you were just laughing and you go, I'm scared! That's what you do. Okay, go ahead.
It doesn't look bad so far. It looks good.
You haven't really done much.
There's hair on you, okay? I took off a lot,
okay, let's go. Don't forget like behind the ears and stuff.
I'm getting there. You nervous?
No.
What line am I establishing here?
I don't know. You're the one who's establishing it. What do you mean? That's like your first task, is to establish a line. What do you mean? What do you mean, what line are you? You're the one who's establishing it.
Even it out.
What do you mean even it out?
Okay.
What?
Don't move. I think that looks pretty good.
Okay, so normally what happens is then he'll stand in front of me and make sure that the lines are like even, right? Are they even?
I don't know what to look for.
Are the lines you established even? Like it feels like it's very like this. I feel like it's very much like this.
I mean, there's a chunk right here that needs to be taken off. Like. Okay, let me come over there.
Well, I don't know. Maybe you need that chunk. I don't know.
No.
Like, look at how my hair is done, right? And see if like that chunk is part of anything more important, like the bigger picture.
Nah.
Oh my gosh, my barber never does this.
Okay, I have kind of established a line. We can always take more off. I think, okay. Alright, now what? Now what?
What we're gonna do is we're gonna
No skipping.
and then when his head starts rounding right about here, that's kind of your line where you know you need to stop. You don't want to cut anything fast.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
So right now, it's just a little bit squared, you know?
Did you say do my sideburns too?
Oh, your sideburns look good.
No, they need to be trimmed mad, but I don't know if you already got them.
Oh yeah, I did it with the clippers.
Okay.
I'll probably go back over. Okay, I think I got this. Okay, I'm gonna try to even out the sideburns a little bit.
Remember what she said, if you're like going past the crown, man. I feel like you went pretty high up.
No, it's just your head curves this way. This is like where the top of your head is. I'm trying to even it out.
All heads curve. That's what they do.
I mean, you know, worst case scenario, it's a bad haircut. Where are you gonna go? Home. That's it, okay? Okay, so now I'm taking my trimmer all the way down so I can trim his sideburns and the back of his neck. Don't move.
Huh.
I'm just nervous because it's very tedious. Not too shabby. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a 6 guide and try to clean up this a little bit so it blends a little bit better. Not bad, not bad. Okay, hold on. Okay, I just want to make sure that this is what you like.
My shoulders?
You can hold it.
What do you want me?
I just want you to check before I move on that you're okay with the sides.
Looks great.
Yeah? For real?
No, I don't know. I've never looked at I'd never check it like that. I have no idea what the process looks like.
Okay. Anyway, we're just gonna move on. Apparently we're gonna be in lockdown for a while, so get better. This is what I'm nervous about. So I'm gonna spray his hair down.
You don't need these anymore, do you?
Oh yeah, I guess not. Oh, please. Don't.
You got that thing on power stream? Doesn't it do a mist option?
I don't know.
Let me see that.
Your hair is really curly. Oh my gosh, honey, your hair is curly. It's cute. Got a little Justin Timberlake action going on here.
Just when you spray little like that, it's just as direct. Just spray it.
Okay. Does he normally come at front or back? How short does he normally take it?
He doesn't take too much off. You don't have to be so gentle. You're not getting in there. Are you doing like each hair individually?
No. I'm doing what she's doing. I might have to take it down a little bit more, but I didn't want to take off too much and mess it up, you know?
A lot coming off for going around it the second time.
Well, I didn't really take very much off the first time.
How long are you leaving it up there?
I don't know. I'm letting it in. I'm angling it.
You're blending it in with the sides? Like you're making it just barely longer than the sides?
No, I'm angling it like this and then like blending it. I'm doing what she's doing.
Right, okay. Like I like it pretty long on top. So if you're like...
Honey, I'm trying.
remember, the hair up front needs to be a little longer, right? You're remembering that, right?
I'll start from the front.
Like the hair up front needs, like it needs to be. Okay. So glad we're in quarantine.
Honey, I just need practice, okay?
That seems pretty short.
Okay, no, I'm nervous of cutting because you're like, it's too short.
All right, whatever, just go for it. It's already halfway done anyway.
This side is a lot shorter than this side. No, it's about the same. Okay, I think I'm done. Okay, so we got done cutting his hair. Well, I got done cutting Jordan's hair. He just showered. And here's the moment of truth.
Can I style it?
Huh?
Can I go?
Yeah, he's going to style it. And if he can style it right, that means I did my job okay. It's really long in front.
No, that's how I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't really have too much to say. Feels shorter. Looks even.
I think there's a part back here that could have been blended a little bit better. I feel like the back might be a little bit too short.
Like you went up a little too high?
I tried to blend the back with the sides. So like the back top is a little bit short and then the front is like a lot longer. So I could have left the back a little bit longer. The back like top.
Yeah, I don't know. Feels great. Looks great.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yay, I'm so happy.
Good job, honey.
Yay. Okay, we are all done. What did you think of your first at-home haircut?
It was amazing. Great experience.
Even all of it?
All of it.
There you have it. I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty nervous. I feel like I did a pretty good job considering I had no idea what I was doing. It doesn't look bad by any means, and what? Like it looks like it's like his normal hairdo, but like not as like even as obviously a professional, but I'm actually pretty proud of it. Hopefully as I get more practice, the more I cut his hair, it'll be a lot better. But yeah, for the first time, not too bad. I didn't take any big chunks out, like everything is blended fairly well. So yeah, I'll take it. Anyway guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What do you guys think of my job cutting his hair? Let me know all of that in the comment section below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to click on that subscribe button right there and click that bell notification so you can see more videos like this. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.
You did a great job.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thanks, honey. Aww. I didn't hurt you or anything, did I?
No, you didn't even touch me. You're way too gentle.